Who's going to help you with it? What's under this?
It's in the camera.
Nathan, what's under here? I wonder what's under here. Oh! What is it? What is it? Open the door. Open the door to it. Oh, give it a pull. Pull. There you go. Get that meerkat out of the way.
In the car.
Shut the door.
The car.
Yeah.
We're never going to get him out of there.
It's for Nathan. It's for Nathan's birthday.
It's from Nanny and from Mummy. From Nanny and Pops.
And Pop. And Daddy and Charlotte.
And take a roof off it.
You took the roof off it, yeah. There's no roof on it.
Right in the car.
Yeah. Go, go, go.
And,
Is it nice? You nice? Is it good? You happy?